Okay, so we just looked at the sort of oblique and right. Those two words were there. And I asked you to think about where would the height of each prism be. And so the height on here, on both of them, it is the altitude. It's just where is the location of that altitude. On here, it is the lateral edge equals the altitude. On here, the altitude is outside altitude, which we know is our height. On both of these, it's our height. But on an oblique figure, keep in mind it's not the lateral edge. It would not be on the side of the shape. It's actually outside the shape. So moving on to our investigation about how to find the shortcut for surface area of a prism, we're going to start first with the term lateral area. So lateral area we know is the sum of the areas of the lateral faces. What the snot does that mean, Miss Benton? Well, it just means that all the sides, if you find the area of all the sides and add them up, then that's what we call lateral area. Okay, and then when you have total surface area, let's see, I don't know that I have that on this page, it's on the next page, but I'll go ahead and fast forward just a little bit. Lateral area plus the area of the two bases, when you include the top and the bottom, that's total surface area. And you'll see in your book they sometimes put a big T for total surface area, is when you add the lateral area of the two bases. So we won't get to what that shortcut is just let's start with the lateral area, how you would find that. So here you can see I've taken a hexagonal prism and I've unfurled it, I've unrolled it, I've drawn the net using the rollout method, and you can see these lateral faces here basically form one big giant rectangle. Okay, so what does A, B, C, D, E, F represent for the shape? It's the top of the rectangle, right? Top of rectangle. You know what? Let's call it the length of the rectangle. It's the long side, right? So we are deriving the lateral area of a prism, a right prism. And it says, what would be the formula for the area of all the combined lateral sides? Well, it looks like to me the area of this rectangle would be our width h times our length. The top there, this would be h times a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f. Okay, and then I want to fold this net physically so that you can make the connection on this next piece, so I'm going to let you go to the next video.